Imagine standing in front of the one thing you love most in this world and knowing Allah is asking you to let it go. Not because He wants to take from you, but because He wants to see what truly owns your heart. You already know the story of Prophet Ibrahim. So let me ask you something uncomfortable. If Eid al-Adha comes and goes and nothing changes in you, did you actually understand it? Because most people think Eid is simple. New clothes, good food, sharing meat. But what if I told you you could do all of that and still completely miss the point? To understand this, we need to go back to the story you've heard your whole life. Prophet Ibrahim was tested. He was commanded to sacrifice his son. But here's the part most people don't sit with. Why that test? Allah didn't ask him to give money, didn't ask him to pray more, didn't ask for something easy. He was asked for something else entirely. The one thing he loved the most. Think about that. Not his wealth, not his comfort, not something replaceable. His son. And here's where it gets deeper. This wasn't just about sacrifice, it was about detachment, about whether anything in his heart was greater than his obedience to Allah. Now be honest with yourself. If you were in his place, what would your son be? Not literally, but what is that one thing in your life that you hold on to so tightly that if you were asked to give it up, you would struggle? For some people, it's money. For others, it's their ego. For some, it's relationships they know are wrong but refuse to let go. And for many, it's simply comfort. Living life on your own terms without wanting to fully submit. So when Eid al-Adha comes and an animal is sacrificed, understand this clearly. That is not the destination. It is the reminder. A symbol of a much deeper question. Because Allah does not need the meat. He does not need the blood. What matters is what reaches Him from you. Your sincerity, your willingness, your ability to let go for His sake. So let's be real for a moment. If Eid comes and all that changes is your outfit, your food, and your pictures, then what exactly did you sacrifice? Did you let go of anything? Did you fix anything? Did you become even slightly better? Maybe it's finally letting go of a habit you know is holding you back. Maybe it's fixing a relationship you've been avoiding. Maybe it's giving when it actually hurts to give. Because that's where the real sacrifice begins. Not in what you slaughter, but in what you surrender. So this year, don't just celebrate Eid al-Adha. Don't just go through the motions. Pause and ask yourself something real. What am I holding on to that I need to let go of?